Hello again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8x8" canvas that is also gallery wrapped. I think I will take it off of my cottage cheese lids. I pre-primed it with some Meeden black, one coat, and she's pretty well covered. I'm pretty happy about that. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I'm going to use some white Additives metallic as my base. Some hot orchid prism pour next. Some electric blue pearl metallic from Arteza. Some, wait, what is it going to be next? Some dioxazine purple that's a Master's Touch. Why don't we just go for broke? Use my purple flash, which is color shifting from Folk Art. I'm not sure I shook up enough. And I'll throw some of the Venetian blue in there. My colors are going off center, so I'm pulling them down a little bit with my eye. I am going to give myself some of the color shifting red from Folk Art. It's really weird to be doing this off center, but it is what it is. I call this Velveeta. It's yellow and orange from Modern Masters, or Master's Touch, excuse me. This is a color I made myself. Not sure where any of this is going to go. I have some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold, and for some reason there's some stuff stuck to the tip of it, which I'm not sure about. So I've never done anything quite exactly like this, and I really should probably swipe it, because that might work better. But I have some Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it. And I'm going to give it a bit of an attempt. And there's my attempt. Now, all bets are off. Now I want to grab some more hot orchid. And just go ahead and give myself permission to add a few more things. I wonder if that's a different color. Not much. I want some Anita's white metallic that has some of the Venetian blue in it. And I'm not sure what I did with it, but it has to be right there. It is. I got it. Yes. And I want to be weird. I'm going to take a chance. Put some orange in there. I'm just going to load my flowers right on top of each other just because I can. Because it's kind of fun to play with. Doing whatever you feel like doing at the moment. I love seeing those cells too. What other color do I want in there? Maybe nothing. Maybe I'll just go for this. So far so good. I'm liking that. That's fine. I want a little something here, but I'm not sure about it. Maybe a little tiny something. Let's go the strangest color combination we can imagine. Because for some reason, the weirder the better. I'm still not going to be able to rationalize that without some hot orange. That one needs to be cleared out. I think I want more white. I think I can put a straw in there. Oh, that's cool. Got a lot of cells there. I like that. I'm going to pick up that paint that went over the edge. I think I'm going to give myself permission to use both Anita's white metallic and some of my golden magenta, which I seldom do. With what I call the Velveeta that I mentioned already. To continue our tradition of weird colors. Although I'm not sure that was really it. Let's see if we can make it as weird as possible. That might be Floetrol if I don't shake it. Oh, that's a really good color. I haven't been using that. I've wanted to just blow them around on top of each other for a while. I kind of see this area in here and it's less defined, so it just makes me want to more define it. And I wanted to use purple, but I think that's a bad choice, so let me think about this for a second. Blues is still a bad choice. I need something really different, and I really liked to change things up. Let's try the straw. I like it when that happens. I just love those little pedally things. Let's go all orange, all out orange. Maybe some yellow. I haven't brought any yellow into this. That's strange. I'm going to fix that. One weird petal. What can I fix that with? Not the pointy end of the skewer, that's for sure. It's a little less defined now, that's good. So maybe a little more of this, which is the Hot Orchid from Color Art. Let's not forget our cell activator. Oh, I like that. It does make me want to have a whole bunch more of the favorite color of the moment. The favorite color du jour, the Hot Orchid. Color shifting turquoise. Venetian blue. Electric blue from Arteza. A little something I mixed myself, which is neon purple with iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. Back to the straw. Best when there's less spit in there. Oh, I have a drop over here, so let's do something with that. Let's do some few things with that. Let's just give ourselves permission to be nuts. Let's do a few at once. Why not? We should try everything. I don't know what makes me think I can't just leave some dots, because they'd be cool. They look pretty. But I think by the time I'm done blowing things out here, there won't be much left. I feel I should have used something a little brighter. I wonder if I can use it on top and still have it work out. I guess we'll find out. I kind of doubt it, but it's still a good color combination. It's pretty. I'm not going to complain about that. I am almost to the point where I feel like I could be done, except for this area right here. And since I have been so enjoying the hot orchid, and the gold made incredible cells over there, I think this is what's going to happen. I maybe should have used another color. Maybe, we'll see. Nope, I'm liking it. But it's calling me. Okay. White metallic by Anita's. Blue, electric blue by Arteza. Venetian blue by Modern Masters. Amsterdam black. Ooh, that was too much black. Shoot. Okay, we'll try it anyway. I like that blue flower. That worked very well there. I'm really tempted to go ahead and blow out a couple of potential leaves. Looks like I did not shake that well enough. And I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of cell activator to that because I don't think it's going to hurt anything. In this case, it kind of worked out great because it dripped down over. I'm going to do it again. Maybe I can do it better this time. Maybe I don't need that turquoise, although I really do like it. I like the black in with the leaves. I like it when it drips down over. Okay, so this area in here is kind of bugging me because it's a little lost. I'm thinking purple. I already have quite a bit of purple. You know what, I'm just going to use some more lighter color in there. And then hopefully some darker color in there. And all kinds of colors in there, evidently. I'm kind of hoping that, you know what, I'm not going to take a chance. I was kind of hoping the purple would win out, but I'm not going to take a chance. I'm going to put some more hot orchid in there. And even more than that, if I can have a little orange, I'm good with that too. That's perfect. I'm happy. I'm very happy, in fact. I think I'm done. So I'm going to tell you guys I have over 93,000 subscribers, but it might not be true. I've been waiting a while, but I'm hoping by now it is true. Because I'm only like 75 away right now today. So it's getting close. I could put a little more green in there. Oh, it's so tempting. It is so tempting. Maybe just a little green here. I don't really need a lot. I know, I said I was done, but I lie. Only about art. I love the cells in the green. Is there room for something else? That's the question. Kind of think right here. Kind of here, there, and everywhere. Can't stop me. I'm going to do it. Just a little bit here, there, and everywhere. Why not? Because I can. That is the name of my first book on the Amazon link that's underneath the video, that's underneath Show More on the link tree. That's where you can find my Amazon link. You can also find my books there too. I got 2 leaves for the price of 1 in that one. When they drip down over the side, they make a perfect leaf shape. That's kind of neat, actually. I like it. I could have one more, and I'd love to have one more. I'm not sure about blowing into it, though. We shall see. I think another one's going over here. I'm sort of taking away all the negative space, which is maybe naughty of me. Alright, I used up quite a bit of my time. On an 8x8 canvas, but oh well, never mind. I think if I want to give you guys a close-up, I'm going to grab my rack and see if I can use it. Because it occurred to me that that wasn't a bad idea, but it might take... This is my first try doing this. But there's some great cells to see. I want to make sure I'm happy with everything I've got there, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to torch really quickly, and I'm hoping that you're in focus. So these are Priscilla style blooms. And I'm not using house paint as a base, so you can torch. I'm going to see if I'm in range. There we go. I am somewhat in range, and I can make an adjustment. There we go. And I can zoom in. Pretty colors. Nice cells too. So check the end screen video. The exhibition video will share with you what the monthly drawing prize winners' choices are. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing, look for PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you use them, you'll be automatically entered. If you shop my Amazon link, you help me out. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments that you leave me to keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for shopping my Amazon link. Thank you so much for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. It really helps. And the most important thing of all is the longer you watch, the better off I am. My paint pouring recipe is underneath when you click Show More, along with my email address. Under the link tree will show you Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes, and more for shopping fineartamericanpixels.com, also found in the link tree, so moot point. I have Le Gallerist, which is beautiful clothing made in Montreal, and if you go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more, you can see the current collection on display there. If you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for the community board, because tomorrow's video is posted there, and you can have a conversation with me too to ask me to see dry paintings, go for it. If you have questions, please ask me. I think I have told you everything except for Teespring clothing. Below the video has Oliver Print leggings and Oliver Print t-shirts, and if you go there you might be able to find something, and if you can't, all you have to do is ask me and I'll see if I can't post it for you. If you ever want to see anything reproduced that you can't find,